Of course the person you love has drawbacks. If they were perfect, they would have never chosen someone as flawed as you. But let's talk about a heavier truth. The heaviest burden breaking the backs of the strongest people today is a math problem. They take the load of tomorrow, add it to the regrets of yesterday, and try to carry them both today. It is a recipe for collapse. Remember this. Today is the exact tomorrow you wasted your energy worrying about yesterday. Was it worth the scars?
Two men looked out from the same prison bars. One saw only the mud beneath him, the other saw the stars above. Your happiness doesn't care about who you are, where you are, or what you own. It depends solely on how you architect your thoughts. When life hands you lemons, stop crying over the bitterness. Crush them, mix them with ambition, and make lemonade. Never forget, exhaustion rarely comes from hard work. It is birthed by the toxic trio: worry, frustration, and resentment. If you want to keep your happiness, you have to be willing to give it away. Why are birds and horses never unhappy? Because they aren't wasting their lives trying to impress other birds and horses. Stop hunting for a reputation, hunt for character. Reputation is just a shadow of what others think you are. Character is who you actually are in the dark. If you want to conquer the monsters in your head, do not sit at home and debate them. Inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. Go out and get busy. Do the hard jobs first. The easy ones will take care of themselves.
And if you want to win people over, stop fishing with what you like. Personally, I love strawberries and cream, but fish prefer worms. Speak in terms of what the other person wants. Listen to them. 3/4 of the people you pass on the street are starving for a single drop of sympathy. Give it to them, and they will follow you to the ends of the earth. Fear does not exist anywhere in reality. It lives exclusively in the graveyard of your mind. Are you bored with this life? Then throw yourself into a mission you believe in with all your heart. Live for it. Die for it. Lose yourself in relentless action before you wither away in despair. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming genuinely interested in others than you can in 2 years trying to force them to care about you. Which of these truths hit you hardest today? Drop your thought in the comments below. Don't look back, move.